diesel heater. Let's see what's in the box. Here's the manual. Let's see. Now this should tell me what's supposed to be in the box. Usually in the first few pages here. Packing list. There we go. Okay. So this tells me what's in the box. And it continues on the second page. All right. So we should have one fuel tank. One fuel tank. They flip pages on me. Fuel line. One muffler, or as you say in England, a silencer. That is the air intake, air filter element. And I don't see anything in there. That's going to be an interesting filter. No, nothing in it. A little bit of bits and bobs. Cable ties, pipe clamps, a whole lot of pipe clamps, stuff to hold it up, mounting accessories. Is that actually listed all as one? No, it actually lists how many of each one, but I'm going to guess that in the bag they should be all there. Exhaust pipe, wiring harness with an inline fuse, air pipe for the inside. I'm just going to put that back in here. Air intake. Some exhaust pipe. The rotary tuyere. I'm not sure what that means. Oh yes, the loud as hell fuel pump.